Filet mignon recipe directions and ingredients. Filet mignon is a tender and luxurious cut of beef that's perfect for a special occasion. Here's a classic filet mignon recipe. Ingredients: 1. 2 filet mignon steaks, 6 to 8 ounces each. 2. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 5. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 6. Fresh rosemary or thyme sprigs, optional. 7. Red wine or beef broth, optional, for deglazing. Instructions. Preparation. 1. Take the filet mignon steaks out of the refrigerator and let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. 1. This ensures even cooking. 2. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Season the steaks. 1. Brush the filet mignon steaks with olive oil. 2. Season both sides generously with salt and black pepper. 3. You can also add minced garlic and fresh herbs, like rosemary or thyme, to enhance flavor. Sear the steaks. 1. Heat a heavy oven-proof skillet. Cast iron works great, over high heat. 1. Add a touch of oil if needed. 2. When the skillet is hot, add the filet mignon steaks. 2. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until a nice crust forms. 3. If you like, you can sear the edges briefly as well. Transfer to the oven. 1. If your skillet is oven-proof, simply transfer it to the preheated oven. 2. If not, transfer the seared steaks to an oven-proof dish or tray. Roast in the oven. 1. Roast the filet mignon in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your preferred doneness. 5 minutes for rare. 7 minutes for medium rare. 10 minutes for medium. Use a meat thermometer, optional. 1. To be precise, you can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Rare, 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 to 52 degrees Celsius. Medium rare, 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 to 57 degrees Celsius. Medium, 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 to 63 degrees Celsius. Rest the steaks. 1. Remove the filet mignon from the oven and transfer them to a plate. 2. Cover loosely with aluminum foil and let them rest for about 5 minutes. 2. This allows the juices to redistribute and keeps the meat tender. Optional deglazing. 1. While the steaks rest, you can deglaze the skillet with red wine or beef broth to create a simple pan sauce. 2. Simmer and reduce the liquid, then stir in a tablespoon or 2 of butter for a rich sauce. Serve. 1. Slice the filet mignon steaks against the grain and serve immediately. 2. Drizzle with the pan sauce if desired. Enjoy your homemade filet mignon, and serve it with your favorite sides like mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables for a complete and elegant meal. Filet mignon.